Hello everybody. For those of you who don't already know me, my name is Fred Burke, also known as the Wholesale Mentor and partners with Terry Weigel with www.totalfinancialliberty.com. TotalFinancialLiberty.com is one of the best real estate, if not the best real estate investing video training website that there is on the web today. And we like to keep you up to date on all types of information. Go to www.totalfinancialliberty.com and see what we have to offer. Hours upon hours of real estate investing training, real estate audio training, real estate articles, real estate contracts that you can use, downloads, softwares that you can use. There's so much information there. And on this video, I'm going to talk about how even hot housing markets can go cold. Nationwide, strong markets like Provo, Utah, are beginning to feel the housing slump. A year ago, the six-bedroom house where a family lived and raised 10 children in the shadow of a Utah mountain range would have been snatched up. The Provo, Utah home, which listed for $368,000, seemed to have plenty going for it besides scenic lake and mountain views. For most Americans, the housing slump began in 2006. But in Provo and adjacent Orem, home prices leaped 14% in the quarter ending September 30th, compared with the same price period in 2006, according to the Office of Federal Housing Enterprise Oversight's November 29th report. Only one metropolitan area in the nation, the city of Wenatchee, Washington, in the eastern foothills of the Cascade Mountains, saw higher price appreciation. Still, the family have knocked $30,000 off their original asking price set 5 months ago and are giving a 3% discount to any buyer who comes to the closing table without an agent. Why offer incentives in a hot market, you may ask? Well, it seems that even some of the nation's strongest markets, including Utah, the state with the highest third quarter year-over-year appreciation, are losing steam. We live in a great area, and I know we've priced reasonably, says this family. I've had a realtor tell me it's not just your house. You see, no place is immune. Unlike previous downturns, this housing slump is affecting even areas and properties that should be immune. Prices are rising in some places, but not as much as they were, and the pace of sales is down almost everywhere. The hottest markets have likely already been weakened by tighter loan restrictions in the wake of the subprime mortgage mess. I keep hearing that Utah's economy is great, says Kevin Scholl, who owns title company Title One in Salt Lake City, but the housing market isn't great. I've heard that stats before about the state's home prices. Everybody in the industry is looking around and saying, who are they talking about? The credit tightening brought on the subprime mortgage crisis took hold in August, but its impact on home prices won't be quantified until the fourth quarter 2007 data are released next year. It's really hard for any state to escape a downturn of this magnitude, says David Stiff, chief economist for Fiserv Lending Services in Brookfield, Wisconsin. There are places that won't drop, but the strongest markets will roughly be growing at the rate of inflation, so in real terms, they'll be treading water. So you see, even hot markets can go cold. And it's best to keep up to date, whether you're investing in that area or not. It's always best to know what's going on in all the cities around you and all the states in the United States. There's some states that are stronger than others, but with the mess that we seem to be in right now, there are foreclosures everywhere. It is expected that more than 1 million foreclosures are expected to be recorded this year. Foreclosures in the United States were up 47% from March 2006 to March 2007, and one foreclosure was filed for every 92 households last year. And this is something that you can turn into a gold mine for yourself if you know how to correctly do short sales and work subject to investing and work the pre-foreclosure market. And that is something that we strongly touch on and teach personally at www.totalfinancialliberty.com. Of course, we teach all other investing methods also. So go to www.totalfinancialliberty.com and check out the site. Join up for your trial membership. I believe it's $7.95, and with that, you also get a video titled freehousescd.com with over 6.5 hours of audio training about real estate investing. This is one of the best real estate investing video training sites that there are, and you can learn all of this from the comfort of your own home. So again, this is Fred Burke with TotalFinancialLiberty.com. I'll see you on the next video.